Good morning, everybody. I'm out here late summer. We still got another week before fall hits. A couple weeks ago I was at the Gasconade and it was unusually cool, but today it's going to be up to the 90s. I'm down here at Little Bell Ford on the James River. Haven't fished this in a couple of years. It's got some good holes, a nice rock bluff. I'm gonna see if I can catch some today and see what it has to offer. Well, just made it down to the river. I took a little shortcut from the road onto a little creek, dried up creek, and made it down. It's down to the river and it's looking really low. So tell you what, there's got to be a smallmouth in here. This is a good hole right here. This hole is probably about the most promising hole I've stumbled on this morning, and I've got to get a smallmouth out of here or something. Okay. They got him. Got him. Don't know what it is. First fish of the day. Yeah, I just caught a fish. Got an otter over there. And he's just staring right at me. I think he's got a fish. See if I can get him. How he went under. I just got a fish in this pool. Don't know what it is. Well, I've got a deep, I don't know if it's a deep hole, but it's a wide hole. I saw a blue heron fly, so that's a good sign. Means there's fish in here. I just switched to a MEPS and I had a smallmouth hit it. And he was a decent one. I might try a crankbait. Just switch to a crankbait, see if I can get anything. So I switched to a crankbait. I had a MEPS and I had a goggle eye and a decent sized smallmouth hit it. Someone hit a crankbait, and I've got one already. I think. Yep, I do. It was a wise decision. Man, he's a nice one. That was a wise decision. There we go. So they're not hitting the craw, so I'm gonna work this it's about 11 inches or 10 inches. Let's put him back. Oh, got another one. That's number 2. Just caught a little one right by the shore. Got one. He's a good one. Yeah, he ain't that good, but and they're coming alive on the crankbait. There we go. So he came after it twice. I don't know. I might switch to a topwater and see how that works. Try off this log over here. Well, crankbait's doing the work today. Got one. There we go. He's a little one. Got him. Decent sized sunfish. Just got one. He's a little one, but we'll take him.